Whoa. Where am I? This isn't a dream world. This can't be. This cannot be. A movie theater, a market. What even happened? A house? A other house? This can't be possible. This can't be. This can't be possible. I don't see any cars. I don't know what even happened. I think I time traveled, but I don't really remember me time traveling. But I don't know what happened to Cole. Or James. I hope James is, okay. I hope they are not in danger or any of that stuff. So, how many houses are there? There's 1, 2, I can't even count all of them. But there must be one house. I think that one is mine right there. Let me check. Or let me check. There is a kitchen. Ooh, a garage. Ooh, bathroom. But there's a toilet. Oh. What this room? Ooh, my bedroom. Let's go. Even though it doesn't have a TV in, but I need to go buy one. A bed. Okay. And ooh, a nice living room. Other bedroom. Okay. The master bedroom, I guess. This could be my bedroom, I guess. And the other bedroom, I don't even know who it could be. Probably a bedroom just in case. Or I could put it into my YouTube room. Or whatever. Where is the signs? Where is it? House. Here you go. Got my own house now. No, I don't need to pay some bills, which I don't have to do. What else is there in this world? Since I time traveled. Yeah, I must come to the movies one night. So, where else is there? What is that? I don't even know we had a school here. Oh, restaurant. Okay, there is a restaurant. I didn't know there was a school. Okay. Yeah, this is for other time. We are going to keep the dream world here. I don't know if Cole going to live here or not, but I don't know where he could stay here, or not stay here, but of course she's going to stay here, but where is she going to stay? What house? What is this? Other... Oh, this must be, some kind of, motel where, just in case if one of our houses get, blown up for some reason, I guess. Which might happen. There must be like something else in this. There must be something right there that we don't know going to happen. What is this place right here? A a coffee place, I guess. Oh, other house. This looks nice. A park area. No, mostly it, but we could probably add some more stuff to it, I guess. That's supposed to be my house, so. I know who house that could be, but he's not here anymore. Which I'm not going to talk about because you guys probably know who I'm trying to talk about. Yeah, let's get over that now. Who cares anymore about that thing that I was about to say or talk about? Yeah. So, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Now I'm just going to watch some TV now. Yeah.